Welcome back to Romanovich Auto Surgeon. We are back at it, and today is a update for the 2019 Tacoma. We're very excited. We snuck the truck away from our father. He's busy being distracted by our bro Vinny, and so we're headed right now to actually do a swap for his wheels. We got him brand new wheels and the rims and everything like that. So I'm gonna catch you guys there once we arrive. Alright guys, we just made it back. Yeah, we can go ahead and take them out. We just made it back. Gonna be, I don't know, we're just gonna leave it like this, hopefully, and he'll come out and see himself. But they are looking pretty fresh. I love it, how they look right now. Check it out. That looks so nice. Oh yeah, hopefully he likes them. Hopefully he doesn't yell at us too much. But I'll catch you guys back whenever we're revealing them to him. Hey Vita. Alright guys, so long story short, he loves them. Just doesn't want me to record a lot of him, so he's enjoying it. And look at little Zeke. He's enjoying his little food. He's lost 2 of his teeth already. Poor little baby. But yeah, really excited that he loves them. It looks really nice. I love that they're not completely black. They have a little gray accent all the way around, so it definitely changes the whole truck. I mean, it looks amazing. We were driving back and we were already getting looks, so really happy for him. Gonna keep moving forward. I already went ahead and found a new tailgate that we're gonna be replacing. It's white, so we're just gonna do a little bit of Bondo work on the top. After we get that done, it'll be sprayed, and then last thing that we'll need is the new rear bumper, which that's a piece of cake. I'm sure we'll find that somewhere. We have a couple of junkyards around here, so we'll be able to source that. That's no big deal. But yeah, after that, I'm thinking of found some really nice aftermarket headlights. They're all blacked out, really nice inside. So let me know down in the description if you guys know any different kinds that you may know for like LEDs or halogen or anything like that. Let me know down in the description. I would really appreciate that, guys. Thank you so much for all you guys' support. If you guys are new to this channel, make sure to smash that subscribe button, hit the little bell for post notifications of other builds to come, because we have other builds coming your way and they're gonna be awesome and very exciting. We got a bunch of more projects coming towards this Tacoma. So I just finally got back from actually bringing a new tailgate that we just got for our father. So here it is. I already went ahead and started doing some work on it, sanding it down. Came off of a 4x4 2019. Looks really nice, amazing, perfect pretty much body. Everywhere here it's very nice and clean, and the only damage is like right here, just a few little scratches right there. So there are a little bit of dents, so I'm just gonna go ahead and sand this down and go ahead and fill them in, make sure it's nice and smooth. Everything else, it's looking in really good condition. I love it. Just got to get some paint. Probably gonna get it today, and then I'm gonna be prepping it for paint job, sanding this whole thing down with 320, then 600 for that smooth finish, and then we'll be spraying it down. But yeah, also the guy had gave us this piece that goes to the back of the actual tailgate. which is this under piece right here. Didn't have this piece right here, so we'll just swap this over here because this one's in perfect condition. So I'm gonna go ahead and keep sanding her down, getting it ready for some paint. Also just went ahead and brought this rear bumper. Got a few little scratches on it, so that's not a problem. Since we're going to be repainting it, we can go ahead and sand it all down and fix it up, but that's no big deal. Very easy to fix. But accidentally didn't receive this upper piece for the top, so we contacted the guy, and he's gonna put the order in, and hopefully we'll get that in soon, so then we can actually put it all together. And this is the only kink I believe I had showed you guys right there. That's the only kink that there is. We'll get that pulled out and align. This side is perfect, so we don't have to even touch this side. So just that little piece right there, and then be ready to install all this. Very excited to finally see this thing all in one piece. It's going to be pretty sweet. We are still looking for some steps, so comment down below what you guys would recommend. There's a few that we already looked on. I think it's High Country and off of eBay and Facebook. A lot of people are selling different kinds, so let me know down in the description. I would love your opinion, because I know there's some guys that put like racks on the back, you know, for the top, put their gear for camping and stuff like that. So I think that would be pretty cool. I don't think my father would do any of that, but I think for a rack that would be pretty awesome. Say I borrow the truck or something and go do a little bit of rock climbing. But yeah, so far he's loving the wheels, enjoying it a ton. We're already going to be sending out the paperwork so we can get title for this thing. So can't wait to start ripping this thing everywhere. We may still get the new headlights. I might throw a picture right here what they will look like. Let me know down in the description if you guys ever use these, if you guys had any problems with the wiring, or if it's just a plug and play. I would love to know. These taillights are not too shabby. I actually like them. When you hit the brake, I believe this lower part lights up, and then this top for the turn signal. Same with that rear, and then of course the reverse. So it's not bad. I really like it that this bed already has a liner on it, so that's really nice. And everything inside is perfect, so you don't have to do anything. We just got to clear some codes, which is no big deal. We'll get that done in no time. Here I went ahead and flipped it over. Just went ahead and removed the lock itself. Standing right here for a little bit, and then here's one of the locks. There are two of them. One goes on this side and one goes on this side right here, just where the right there hooks on tailgate. Here's the original one, just like that. I only have one of those. For this one I'm gonna be probably swapping it out for both of these. These are a little bit better condition. The other one only has one of them, so just swap them out. That's no big deal. But already removed everything from here. Just got to remove this right here and the little wire harness. And after that, pretty much going to go ahead and sand the hole underneath here. I like to, you know, try to spray it, and so it'll be all factory. Make sure it's all black everywhere, all around. So I'm going to go ahead and start doing that. I already did sand this whole side down, just a little bit where the handle is. I need to do that. And I already repaired it over here, so I'm going to go ahead and flip it over and show it to you guys right after I'm done sanding this part down. So here's the repair. Went ahead and did a little bit of Bondo spot putty in the little cracks. Turned out very, very nice and smooth. I'm very happy with it. Using a little bit of a new Bondo. It's called, I believe, it's made by 3M. It's Premium Plus, I think. It's really nice stuff. But yeah, turned out really nice. Gonna go ahead and sand this down as well right now. And this is already nice and sanded down. Just a few pieces around here. I didn't want to sand around here while I had the handle, so went ahead and finally removed it. So I'm now going to go ahead and do that. Sadly, we took off the stickers. There were black stickers on this because this is a white tailgate with the black stickers, and we started taking them off and got like to here, and then my brother was like, man, we should have left them on, painted it all black, and then peeled it off so we would have the white, you know, a white in the back. So it kind of sucks, but it's okay. We'll figure something out. Maybe I'll put some tape in there, cut it out to make sure it's a perfect shape, and then spray it, or we'll paint them in. But we'll figure something out. Maybe just find some white stickers. But yeah, so far so good. Moving right along. Going to go ahead and finish sanding right there around those areas and this whole top side, and then she'll be ready for paint. Now to sand it down completely, everything is nice and flat. I went ahead and did it with 220. It saved me a ton of work. I mean, just a few slides on one area, and right away that nice clear coat burned right through. So gonna go ahead and hit it with 600, make it nice and fine. Remove these little pieces as well, the little adhesive that were holding the sticker, the badges on there. And then we clean her up, and then she'll be ready for paint. Went ahead and used just some wax and grease removal. Works out great. Removed all that adhesive that was behind those pieces, those emblems. Got to remove, sand it down for a little bit more over there in those areas. Maybe here a little bit, but second coat of a primer just went on. Since it's a small one, you can just use this small in a can 2-in-1 primer, automotive. Pretty good stuff, really nice and easy to sand. So I went ahead and threw some primer again, There is like one ding right here, but that's no worries, no big deal. So gonna go ahead and let this dry, sand it one more time down, all with 600, and then we'll be done. I'm gonna go ahead and let it dry overnight. Just make sure it cures a little bit more. I want to make sure I have a nice sanding surface. Might fill in. There's a one little spot right there. You can see right over here. Just very little, nothing major. So I'm gonna go ahead and let it dry overnight. And I think I'm just gonna go ahead and wrap this video up right here. I don't want to make it too long. Got plenty of done in this little episode for you guys. Really excited for this thing to come along and get done. But yeah, I can't wait to go ahead and start spraying it. Once we come back, we gotta also finish repairing the rear bumper. Got a little bit of scratches, so we're gonna go ahead and do some body work to it, sand it all down, and then go ahead and get it for paint. And we already purchased the paint, so it'll be coming very soon. We're gonna be fully spraying it all together as one piece. Can't wait to do this. It's gonna be awesome when this thing is 100%. Catch you guys in the next one. If you guys are liking these little series, and if you guys like this little video here, please leave me a like and comment down below what other modifications we should do to this beast. I'm already loving, you know, the sweet wheels we got. We might do aftermarket headlights, like I said. We don't know yet, but definitely still looking for a step over here since it's a little bit lifted, so that'll be definitely down in the future. Also consider subscribing, because I have a bunch more builds coming your way, and they're really awesome ones. So stay tuned for those, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.